was so funny. I just dropped you on the floor. Okay, so I can't remember where I was. All right, okay, so do you know what? I think I'm a little bit out of practice at doing this. Right, so this morning I've already done a live and I did some tea bag folding. And if you want to watch it, it's on my Instagram TV on Instagram. Fancy that. I have a logo to do, some illustrations for a children's book to do, but I basically have to tidy up that mess in there. That is the workshop area. It's really lovely, but I'm currently using it as a bit of a dumping space, so I need to sort that out. I need to finish prepping for my workshops. I need to finish painting the corridor. I need to clean all the floors and the toilet. I might not take you on that one, not unless you're really sadistic. No, I won't. I also need to do things like washing up and stuff like that, but I promise I will try and do some fun things too. So I will take you along on the journey because I haven't vlogged at all in such a long time, and I am very conscious of the fact that I did not vlog the move. I've been here 4 months now, and I think it was mainly because I just got so disenchanted with everything, and last year I sort of put on a lot of weight, and this year I lost a stone and have probably pretty much put it back on again. But I've started to sort of realise, you know, the weight doesn't matter so much, it's the content. I was always worried about people thinking I was ugly or stupid or fat, or that I had nothing worth giving. And I'm trying to be a little bit kind to myself and think, oh yes, I have got some things that I can give. And if my body offends you, then, you know, so be it. And I kind of feel that, you know, I have to set a standard so that other people can feel good about themselves as well. It's a public service that I'm running. I apologise if I'm a bit panderide. I had we had a christening yesterday and I put on makeup, but I took it off in the dark, and of course I've slept, and I've only just realised my eyes look a bit dark. There wasn't alcohol involved, I was absolutely fine. So yeah, I apologise for that. Right, well, I'm going to get on with the day and you can come along with me. I hope you enjoy, and I will catch you in a bit. These walls are. They are just so disgusting. So I've done all the way down there, just doing this bit here, but I have no idea what to do with this floor. I think I'm just going to paint it white for now, and then once I save some money from workshops, I think I will start to board everything up. My original idea was to have like trellis down here with lights. I thought that might be quite fun, but as you can see, it's quite a long corridor with random things that need painting. So I gave everything a really good clean the other day. This door was almost black, it was disgusting. And then I got to face the public and paint the outside of the door, which I'm not looking forward to particularly, but we shall see. I got a public fire notice here, how exciting is that? I love Okay, I'd actually better get on with some work now. Okay, so for my workshop I'm doing iris folding, as I have told you probably a bazillion times. This is iris folding. Okay, so it's the nice folding of paper. It's apparently it's to do with you know, the way that lenses close on cameras. It's meant to be like that, and it does. It sort of, you know, goes down in height and whatever. Anyway, I am just going to show you a video of me designing this. So this is my 4th version, I think. I keep making alterations and changing things, but this is the final one that I'm going for with the kit. It's going to be wall art, which is kind of nice. So anyway, I'm going to show you that VT now. Oh, didn't I sound posh? Okay, I'm going to show you that now. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Hiya there. Okay, so I've done quite a lot since I've last seen you. So this is the wall you left me painting, and as you can see, it's not painted very well. But I found this in the pound shop. And I put that on to cover up most of the grime. I mean, admittedly, you know, still got all that rubbish up there, but it has at least covered up the grimy, horrible part of the thing. And the thing that's quite nice about it is they're actually all in cubes. Cubes? Really? Cubes? That's a 3D shape. These are squares. Duh. So I took off the 2 cubes off the top. And these are squares. Duh. I put them there. And then all I did was just snip bits so that it would go round that and the tap and wherever else. And I just used zip ties to attach them, and very, very strong double tape at the bottom. So it's all removable. And then I got this at, where did I get it from? Home Bargains. It was £10 a roll. These were £15 a roll. These are £10 a roll. And I got 2 rolls. They're 2.1 metres long, I think, and 1 metres down. And then I got these from the pound shop, and they were 2 metres for £1. So I got a few, and I think they finish it off quite nicely across the top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some flowers and sort of poke them in all over. So I use zip ties again for this. There you go, you can see a zip tie there. They're not attached at the bottom, so what I did was I used the zip ties all the way down the side there, and then I zip tied the 2 together here. And then because this bottom bit was dragging, it didn't sit properly, so I got another one of these to go on this side, and then I could zip tie all the way down to keep it all in place. But I think it looks really good. Okay. So it finishes it off nicely. I got this rug off of, it needs a hoover already, off of Amazon. It was £45, which I think was a bit expensive, really, but I wanted something to sort of to go down the corridor. I thought it was going to, they said 10 feet, which I suppose if I lay down it probably is 10 feet actually, but it doesn't feel as long as I thought it would be. This is a little curtain I got from the Range. I got it a few months back, thinking that I'd put it up here somehow, but wasn't sure how I'd do it. But it's really cute with the little sparkles. The reason I haven't left it hanging down is because I just wanted to sort of soften this area a little bit, which I think looks quite nice. That is my old Hall Runner that I must have had about 20 years ago. Don't know why I keep dragging it from place to place. And this window film I actually did get from the Range again, but I bought it ages ago to go at home, because, I don't know if you remember, but the view out here, it looks a bit rubbish. So I thought by putting that on there, it actually improves it a bit. And then you got the metal picture that I did ages ago, the giraffe, and a little hand sanitizer. I need to try and work out how I can do something to improve this. I might have to be quite creative with that, but I'll have a think. It might just be if I put a wooden board exactly the right size over the top that you wouldn't notice that, or even if it just hung out just a tiny bit. But anyway, we'll see. So there's that. And then in the toilet, I've done a bunny and bird toilet sign. And then we've got this little sign that I did, although it's still got a spelling mistake. I replaced it because for some reason it said a bog towel instead of a big towel. I hate autocorrect. And instead of aqua, it said agua. I don't think that's even a word, is it? I don't know. So I need to replace it again, but you know, I figured 2 bits of metal. You know, I'll just have to apologise for my appalling spelling. And then there's my toilet rules thing, which part of it I sort of pilfered off another public toilet that I went to relatively recently in a pub. Really nice. So we've got little towels here so that if people are worried about COVID and they don't want to use the main towel, they can use a little towel, and then they put it in the aqua, or as it says up there, aqua bin down there. So I'm quite pleased with that room. I mean, I think it could have a lot more, and I don't like the flowers up there, so I'm gonna slowly replace them, but you know, these things take time, don't they? So I've got an open sign. Only when I'm in, of course. So the workshop went really well. My mum insisted that she bought the cute china. So actually we've got the cute china and we're going to keep it here because we're going to do these workshops every month. So I still need to find a home for those. The people who came on the workshop, didn't they tidy up well? I mean, it was chaos. Stuff everywhere. So yeah, it was a couple of days ago. So I'm sorry I haven't vlogged anything, and I didn't get a chance to actually vlog when it was happening either. It was just crazy, but I will insert a couple of pictures. This is one of the templates that actually will come with a kit, but all my wait, what? All the people who came had one of these, and they basically had all the things that you get in a normal kit that are on our live on my website. So I think that's about it. We've eventually had some rain. My flowers are still dying, but we've had some rain. Oh well, the joys. Right, okay, so I am going to sign off from this vlog. I have no idea how much stuff I've got. I'd really like to get it up today if I can, although my internet is being really slow again, so I have no idea. I'm really tired, so my fibro was doing really well, and then I finished the workshop, and Thursday was just the worst day. I mean, the workshop was wonderful, it was really good, but the lead up to it was really stressful, and so I've just been flaring that bad afterwards, and I feel so tired. So I'm gonna have some lunch in a minute, and hopefully I will wake up. But I'm going to do this, and then so I'm going to sign off now and edit this, and then that'll be irrelevant because by the time you watch this I will have edited it. Okay. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're interested in any of the iris folding kits, they are now all live. If you're local and want to attend a workshop, give me a shout. I will also be doing craft club soon, which will be fun. If you want to be a patron and get a free craft kit every month, then follow the links as well. So I will catch you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you to my amazing patrons, la 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 da da. Thank you Claire and Cheryl and Sarah, Sumner, la 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 da da. With Kathleen here and Julie's here, Emily, Nikki and there's Kate. Thank you to my